Good morning, people. It's John from FX Diamond Signals, and 2nd of November 2015, and as promised we're going to look at the charts today with a view to a little bit more in depth with the signals, what generates a good buy or sell signal. I'm not going to go through every currency pair. I've already been through them this morning, and I'm just going to pick and choose some examples to look at and some new trades where possible for today. The market is not going in any particular direction at the moment, so don't expect too much from here. But it's never really great on Mondays. It's got to find. Normally, the market finds its feet on a Monday, so Tuesday is always a little bit better for signals and to get some sort of direction. So that's the plan, and let's go over to the charts and see what we can sort out. Looking once again at the Australia dollar CAD chart, daily time frame, waiting for the signal for a sell or a buy signal, and then the next thing I'm looking at is a good candle that gives us that confirmation. To see this, you need to have your chart looking very similar to how I've got it set up here. In other words, looking at pure price action, I've got Bollinger Bands. I've taken out any monthly, weekly, daily support resistance and your candles, and that's it. Just nice, plain and simple to be able to see the chart as it really is. So I get the we take this one for example, back in beginning of February. So we got a sell signal. Now I'm looking at this candle, these candles, and I'm looking for an inside or an outside bar. Now this is what we call an inside bar, where the open and close is within this body. So this body is within this body. Okay, so that's an inside bar, and that normally represents a good sell signal, and as you saw, it went down. Okay, not too much, but it did drop. So if you had placed your open, once we got this inside bar, place your open here, then we would have picked up a few pips coming down here. Take the next signal, a buy. I'm not getting that inside or outside bar, so I'm going to leave that one. As with this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, just scrolling along. So I'm just waiting for a nice signal. So again here, I've got a buy signal. So the doji, I'm waiting, well, maybe sometimes you're waiting 2 to 3 candles ahead. So after we get this buy signal, looking for confirmation, we get an outside bar. The body is more than the previous candle, and this represents a buy signal. To confirm this, and you can put your open price up here. If you pop down to the 4-hour chart, you probably get a better indication of where to put your open price, and then you take a few pips up. Okay, scrolling along. Again, looking for these signals and then looking for the next confirmation with the candles. Okay, well, yeah, this one, same, sell signal. A inside bar shows bearish tendency, and then we had the drop. Looking for the next signal and confirmation. And what we've got here, even though we got a signal down, we don't get the confirmation, but don't forget, use these Bollinger Bands to help also help with some trades up and down. So for example, here there was a big indecision signal candle right on the Bollinger Band, so take note of that. Although there wasn't too much there, it did give you an idea that the bullish tendency was running out of steam. And the same here, a nice doji right at the top of a Bollinger Band. So I'm looking at all this information as well as fundamental. Don't forget your fundamental news. Although I don't pay too much particular attention to the analysis of other analysts, if you like, because it always seems to go in the opposite direction what they say. But you can gather some fundamental news of what's happening in the world as to what you should be doing. So just looking again, right, so again we get a buy, I'll get a buy signal here, the candle, an outside candle, and what happened, we get a nice move up. Okay, actually I missed that one there, sell signal, outside bearish and down. So this is how I calculate, if you like, the next, the signals that I send and the next trade. Although we got a sell signal here, it wasn't really an outside or inside bar, so I wouldn't have taken that one. So I'm just really looking for high probability confirmation, and it's not the holy grail, but as you can see, a lot of the time it does work. Sell signal, 1, 2, 3 candles along, we've got an inside bar and bearish. Okay, you can say that's a good buy signal because the candle, you've got a doji down here, so we don't take too much notice of dojis at the bottom, but this candle has hit the bottom of the Bollinger Band, bounced up, and that's giving you a good bullish rise. Moving on, a sell signal, a doji, and you've got to think, well, if I put my open price here, if it is going to be bearish, then you're going to capture it. Alright, so hopefully that gives you an idea of what I'm looking for when I get the signal. Let's just pop over to the weekly chart and use this example up here as a weekly signal. We have a sell signal. It's an outside bar but bearish, and that gave a nice fall all the way down. Okay, so I'm looking at the weekly signals as well as the daily signals, and as soon as I get those signals and the confirmation, as soon as I get the signals, I'll let you know, I will tell you, and then together we can wait for that confirmation on the candle, and we'll do this on a daily basis, and that should help in your trading. Right, so this as I say, I've been through the charts already this morning, and I really can't see too much going on with regards to new trades today. As normally it is on Tuesday, but I'm going to switch to the CAD Swiss here, and I've got a sell signal up here, an inside bar showing some weakness, and it's just started to drop away from the Bollinger Bands. So not too much more bullish pressure there, or bullish momentum rather, and the bears may start to be taking control. So again, possibly an open price here at the bottom of this candle, or today's candle, at 7516 is the bottom. I would put it at 7506. I always put like 10 below. So 7506 as an open price. Just put that down. So just a little bit down there. 7506 at an open price. Your stop loss could be at the top of the candle, or in fact at the top of this one, because that was the highest it went. So around about the top of there, or about 100 pips away from your open price. And your target would be at least the Bollinger Band down here, keeping an eye on that as it would rise up or drop down. And when the price gets about halfway down, I would then lock in your profit by setting a trailing stop of about 150, which equates to about 15 pips. And that should say lock in your profits and capture any more pips coming down. So what we really like to see by the end of today's trading is this has turned into an inside bar, and that really would show some weakness and a good trade all the way down, generating a good few pips profit. Okay, I'm going to wrap things up there. Hopefully that's given you a good insight. As I can't make up new trades. Either the signal's there, the confirmation is there, or it's not. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be back and to give you some more, give you some new trades. In the meantime, if you could perhaps email me with any particular currencies pairs that you trade, and I can include them on these daily videos, and that will help with you. So any particular currency pairs that you like, we can put those in together with new trades, and that should be good for everybody. Okay, thanks for listening. Take care.